You've taken your drone out, you shot some dope footage, and now you want to play it from your Mac to your TV. Well, fortunately, we have an app for that. It's called VideoMeister. You can download it from the App Store right now. I'm going to show you how this works. So I have the app on my computer, already have it installed. I've opened it up, I've connected it to the TV, super easy, following the menu instructions, and I'm just going to drag the footage from the computer onto the app, drop it right there. It says preparing video file, and then there we go. Look at that. I got that perfect tracking shot of the white car, balanced it all perfectly. We got the drone footage from the computer to the TV. But maybe you're not that into your drone footage. Actually, your sister's coming over and she wants to see that stuff you shot from her wedding. And she's gonna be there in just a few minutes. So let's grab that wedding footage instead. It's a totally different file format. It comes from a totally different camera, but I can just drag it just the same into the app. And there she is. Now, she's looking good. He's looking all right. Let's not judge their looks. The point is the video is playing on the screen. Maybe you want to watch a movie that is just not that available in your country. Maybe you found alternative ways to get it on your computer. But how are you going to get it on your TV? Same thing. Just drag the video. Doesn't matter what format. If it's MKV or something strange like that, you drop it into the VideoMeister app. It's going to prepare the video file. Now it's a movie, so it might take a little bit longer to get it ready. So there we have it. We got a movie, any kind of movie, playing on the computer screen from your MacBook. We got the movie, we got the drone footage, we got the wedding, all using the same app. Download VideoMeister from the App Store right now to your Mac, your MacBook, or your MacBook Pro. We put download links in the description below. And remember, you do have to connect the TV and your computer to the same Wi-Fi network. And that way, you can watch your drone footage, your wedding stuff, or even movies from your Mac computer to the TV screen.